What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today we are going to be installing a new doorknob. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe and the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright guys, let's get to it. Okay, so why we're going to be replacing this one is because it started to stick, and I've come to realize it's best to go ahead and change these out when they start to stick, because they can actually break closed and you can't actually even open them from the inside or the outside without taking them all apart. So let's go ahead and change this out before that happens. This is a Quickset brand with a lock, but it's going to be the same job even without a lock or a different brand like Schlage. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is there's two screws, one on each side on the inside of the door. We're just going to go ahead and unscrew these all the way. Alright, now pull the back one off. Now we can come over to the side and unscrew these two screws. Once we get this last one out, the whole thing should all come out together. You can actually pull the door handle out, and this lock set will come out too. Alright, now I'm just going to be replacing this part. If you do have a Quickset, they have a lifetime warranty, and I went ahead and just called them and they sent me out this new part to replace because the old one broke. Okay, now let's reinstall. If you have a cylindrical hole, you're going to want to put this sleeve on, and it just snaps on to these little notches right here. You just press it on. We're not going to be using this one, we're going to use the standard square one. Now you're going to want to take this piece with it oriented like that. We're going to drop our striker in through that. Then we're going to want to take this plate, put it over the top, and it's going to snap and lock into these little tabs. Okay, now the reinstallation is just going to be the reverse. Make sure you put this angled part facing inwards, facing where it's going to swing in. So we just go ahead and put this in first. And we'll tighten it down, but we'll leave it just a hair loose, just till we get everything in there. Then we can slide the knob right through. Then while holding the front knob, you have to get the inside part to line up with the other part. Once you get it lined up, it slides right in. Then we can put screws in. Let's just hand tighten them, just get them started so the knob doesn't fall apart. Then we can go ahead and tighten both screws down, making sure that the doorknob is centered in the hole when you tighten it down. Now we can go ahead and tighten down that striker assembly good and tight. Alright, now we can test it, make sure it's all working. Looks like it's working good. Let's go ahead and test it with our key. Lock it. Unlock it. Alright guys, and that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor and subscribe and click the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.